That is the same bond she shares with her father.
Yeah.
Please help us.
Is it possible that you both were born twins and was separated and you don't know each other?
I leave that your long English and that story for another day. But then there we say my mind is set to. I don't even know when I take promise that fine princess, all those things where I talk. And me, no man, anything where I talk, I don't run am. I don't talk what I don't feel do. So we go run am at the game. But now I go, come back later.
Thank you so much.
When I know the fine person color, no, thank you. When I dey fuck up for here, what happen? Come give me transport, I beg. I know the follow one do those ones. Come.
Now this kind woman, my God. Ah! Chinekebe. Okay? Okay, you're still alive. They thought say you don't die.
Now you go die, idiot. Why you gonna work for this kind of place? You know they eat. They don't give you food.
I talk am. Okay, now that useless short girl where you carry come. Would you? She know they give me food again though because she said she go put on top pepper for my food.
Nobody go poison you, you don't get value. They chop. They chop, make breeze not carry you. Hope say you hold stone for pocket, idiot.
Okay?
I know be your guy, I be your new Oga, Mama Gola. I know be your guy, I be new Oga. I know of ya.
My new Oga. Hey! My God, don't forget me, I've been waiting. Oga, na me now. Na me, John. When you say you go marry wife, give me. My come up from bachelor, come become married man. Oga, na me, oh. Hi! I thought I'm my enemy. Would you? Only you be the enemy why I know say I get. Hey! Oga, na me, John, oh, you chukwu na. Hey! Oh.
This is suspicious. He was playing hard to get before and now he's succumbed. What if he's double standing?
It's not possible. What you should be saying right now is to make him how to speak English without mixing pidgin. Because Mama would definitely suspect. You know Mama too well. And Mama knows his son to be educated.
That is right.
Yes.
Mama has some explanation to do for me. Because how come two Freds, same body structure, same face, same voice? Wait, what if this is a test?
No, Fred cannot put up such a test. No? See, we're talking about a man who cannot stay without seeing his family. This is 2 months. 2 months since he left his family.
You're right. But Mama has to know about this.
Yeah.
She has to know so that she can explain to me how this is even possible.
Uncle, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Ejike.
Sir?
Did I hear you call me uncle?
Yes, uncle. I was actually going to your house. Thank God I met you here.
What happened?
Uncle, nothing really happened. It's just that I want to make peace. Biko, I am here to apologize. I want you and Uncle Cody. Biko, I want you both to forgive me. And I promise I will never be a naughty son again. And I want peace to reign in our family. I want us to unite together as one big, happy family. Biko, that is why I'm here. Also for my stepmother, I don't know how to tell her about this. I want everybody to be happy. I will be a good boy from now on. I promise.
Ejike, I can't believe you are talking this crap to me. That is not bad. You say you want us to unite as one big family we are.
Exactly.
I love that. But you have to make that very move. First, go to your stepmother. First, talk to her. whatever you discuss with her, talk to her, make peace with her first. If it doesn't work out, then we can come in.
Hi. Make peace.
Yes.
Uncle, do you think she will listen to me?
Ejike, they don't judge a book by its cover. Yes, go to her, make peace with her. If she didn't listen to you, then you come back. Then we know where to come in.
Okay, Uncle. Thank you, Uncle. Chugozi again, Uncle.
Gozi where you are.
Yes.
I
was actually going to your house before I met you. I don't know if you can help me and talk to Uncle Akode.
That is not my own. You have to talk to him. Talk to him. The way you talk to me, did anybody accompany you to me? Talk to him. To whatever you discuss with him, then you come back to me. I will know what to do.
Okay, Uncle.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm a changed person.
That's good.
I'm a changed person.
That's very good. Kode, yeah?
Kamfu Uncle Akode.
Kode.
Thank you, sir.
Chelu. Ejike calling me uncle for the first time and even concluding it by telling me that you want to make peace, to unite the family as one good family that we have. It's not a bad thing. But my question is this. Is it directly from the bottom of his heart, or he just fabricating it to get me? Ejike. That they say can never end. Ejike, talking to me this way.
Achalo fight, achalo mamba. If achalo go fight, achalo mamba. If I go do all die, by fire, by force. Family was supposed to be like heaven. Unfortunate son.
Fine girl. Good morning. Why is your face like this? Is Mama inside? Please, call her for me.
What do you want Mama for? Ejike, please, we don't have strength for your trouble. Please.
Stop, la. Stop acting as if we are quarreling. Are we quarreling? Are we fighting? I'm your brother now, you're my sister.
You can never be my brother, Ejike. Never. See, I'm not like Mama. I am not like Mama that is peaceful. Because the next time you step your feet in this compound, Mama will give me the alcohol. I'll pour hot water.
Stop now. Why are you busybody? You want me to leave this compound as if I'm a total stranger? I'm your brother now. Stop
acting. That is exactly who you are. A total stranger, Ejike.
Mama, greetings.
I don't want to hear anything you want to say. If you have come to disturb us, like you always do, my daughter will do exactly what she told you.
Mbamba, I'm not here to disturb anybody. I come in peace. I come in peace. Please, Biko, my sister. Please, Mama, I want us to be happy again. I want us to come back as one big, happy family. Biko, let's unite. Let peace reign.
Ginonye? Huh? Ejike, Ginonye?
All of us now.
Tell your useless and worthless mother that this plan, these are new tactics, will never ever work. It will not work. You are who? This never I mentioned though is capital one. You are sighing for me. Okay. You see this fight. We will fight it to the end though. Let us see who will lose. In case if you have finished, that is the gate. It's open.
Nah, my mother is not worthless and useless.
My friend, go.
Why should I even use please? Do not forget to lock my gate after you. Chisom, go and make sure the gate is locked.
Alright.
Nonsense. Idiots.
Iche, hold on. I've been calling you since. Where are you running to now?
Ejike, what is it again? What is it again?
I've been calling you since now, Iche. The idea you gave me did not work. That idea did not work. That begging idea, I don't like it. It's not working. You need to have seen the way the Chisom and the mother was just insulting me today. They said they will pour me hot water if I don't leave their compound. That plan is zero. Change plan, Biko. Change plan. It's not in my dictionary.
This is just the right step in the right direction. You see, you don't expect them to open their arms and receive you after all these tumults that have taken place. The best thing you are doing now is just to see how you can reconcile and make peace.
But I don't want
that's
peace.
All.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace because they don't want peace too.
AJK, I've spoken. Peace is what we need, and that's all.
You have to change it. Change that plan. Change that direction. They even insulted my mother. They said my mother is worthless and useless. I let them be because of you. You said I should make peace. The peace is not working. The peace is not working. Now we go change that to war. We go change that to war. No be peace again. What kind of thing is this now? A homie go the beg person go the change that for me. Unto waiting. You know me for Abba. You know the way they behave for Abba. Nah, war. It's war time. War time. Anything they want, anyhow they want, I will give them. War time.
This cannot be. I am the true son of my father, and I will stand as one. Nobody can stop me from my inheritance. If fighting everybody is what I must do, then so be it.
Ochalo fight, Ochalo mamba. If Ochalo fight, Ochalo mamba. If I would do all day, by fire, by force.
Ejike. You want to wound me?
Stay away from me. You're the cause of my problems. Avoid me.
Ochalo fight, Ochalo mamba. If Ochalo fight, Ochalo mamba. If I would do all day, by fire, by force. Family was supposed to be like heaven. Unfortunate son.
And you believed him. You believed him. What good could come out of that boy's mouth if not to insult the elders, as he always does? And thank God Unkoli did not give him the chance. Because that boy is planning something big.
But he said he wants to make peace and to unite the family.
That's the most stupid thing that could come out of his mouth. Let me tell you, he is just interested in acquiring his or inheriting his late father's wealth. That's all. Look, be careful the way you relate with that boy. Because he is bad news. He is bad news. Come, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
It was a dream. But why?
When they fall, I get the banana. They go like you to fall with them. When they are hopeless and fall, I get the banana. They go like you to fall with them.
I have respected everybody enough. And enough is enough. I will not take it again. I will not take it again. It's either we'll settle it in peace or in pieces. And if it is war, I am 100% ready for it. Okay, Nafio? No, what is going on? Are you people joking with me? How can somebody, a non-entity, will be comfortably sitting on my destiny? I need my father's property. I need my father's property now.
Calm down for what? No, calm down for what?
We must settle everything today. Enough is enough. I have had enough. Do you know what you're doing? Do you know what you're doing? Eh? Nobody should tell me nonsense, so today we must do everything. We must sign the documents. I will take what belongs to me. My father's property, everything must be assigned to me today. In fact, Everybody get up. Everybody get up. You guys, get me the document and let me start signing it right now. I will do something drastically. I need my father's property. I will cut off somebody. Mama, I will cut off somebody's head. I need my father's property. You make a call now. Call your daughter and everybody. Let them get the documents and papers. Everything. Let me sign it. Hurry up. Fred, what am I saying?
Why you the ginger elders now?
Who is this Fred?
I know be Fred.
Young man, if you're not Fred, who are you?
Namibia yo. Fred, identical twins, but they separate us when I be baby.
That's a lie.
See the idiot we are now.
That's a lie. Hey, listen, I know your tricks. You want to come here and deceive us, Okwaya? They cloned you. Fred is dead. Dead and gone. Leave here now before I cut you into pieces.
I resemble who they lie. Meanwhile, see, I don't fight, I kill.
You kill?
Now, don't follow me to do all these ones now. You want ginger me?
My friend, leave here now before I kill you. Wonyala, leave here!
Oh, no, never said that.
Who the hell? My friend, get out!
Wait, Mike, no,
get out from here! Think I don't know your type. My friend, let him get out. I need my father's documents. I need my father's document, everything. Bring, Mama, who is this useless boy? Fred is dead. CNN carried the news. CNN carried the news. What the hell are you talking about? My friend, everyone lie down. Ow! Documents. The documents.
Oh my family.
Go down. I don't know. I tell you now. Who give you gun? Sorry. Hey! I tell you now. Are they done? I go. Please.
I dey talk with your talk.
Please.
Now they lie.
Please.
I dey put format.
Please. Please.
If you stand over, I go blow your head.
Sorry.
I be now, yo. Fred, twin brother. You know what man I go do the other day? I resemble over here the lie. I be twins that idiot separate us no small. Go ask him. You remain here.
When you not finish?
The last my head from everything here.
Come.
To the last now, I'm here. I tell the man there.
Mama, what is going on? What is going on here now?
Come and sit down.
Eh? Iche, call my friends.
Hey, shut up! I said shut it! Shut it! Surely you are threatening me with knife today.
Bam. I have seen gun. You want
to cut my head?
Please. Continue, I beg. I dey quick verse. Let the meeting continue. Okay, sit down now. Now you don't want to shoot.
Come sit on this side.
Stay there. You will lie down while the meeting continues.
I was scared of meeting him at first. But after I did, I knew there was something about him. The bond he shared with Christian and my husband is the same. So I took him to our family doctor and I confirmed that they're the same thing. That was why I brought him here. Because only Mama can tell us what happened.
I knew I had twins 38 years ago. But I was told that only one survived, even though I didn't see the corpse of the other one. What baffled me was the same doctor that told me that only one twin survived was the same person that came into my family. She had an affair with my husband and had a child for him. That child is Ejike. Yes, Ejike's mother was the doctor who delivered me of the twins and told me that only one survived.
What? Mama, the same person separated him from us.
Exactly. I don't know what that woman is looking for in my home, in my family. Eh? She had a relationship with my husband. She had been disturbing since then. Anyway,
I thank God that the truth came out at the right time. Fred is no more. Indirectly, he is back in the form of Anayo. Anayo is my son. I now know that that woman played a trick on me. Anayo is my son.
Mama, Anayo asked me to take him to Ejike's house. Reasons I don't know.
Why would he want you to show him the place?
I don't know, Mama. Excuse me, Mama.
No. What happened? Not now that I am getting to my aim. Eh? But Machi told me she injected the baby and threw him into the pit. How come after 38 years? Pick this call, fool. Pick this call.
Come outside. I don't like to repeat myself. Come outside. I say enter son, no provoke me. So now you get mine. Separate me and my family when I be baby.
Sorry, please. It is greed. I didn't want anyone to collect my man from me. So I did the unthinkable, Pico Bara. Please forgive me.
So that thou shalt not kill, read the Bible. You know see am? You know read that part. Thou shalt not kill. You know see am for Bible.
Please forgive me. I beg you. Please have mercy on me.
No, well, I dey forgive people, but after forgiveness, I dey treat their fuck up so that people wey dey around go know say nobody. You know understand? I don't forgive you. Well, like this now, you are hereby banished. You come out for this village, leave this house, just be move. Because any day while I set my eyes on you anywhere, that will be your last day for this earth. You know understand? I go lie to you. You dey feel me so? What do you make me leave you and say I don't want this? They say my hand, I don't tire. So, like,
He said now! Go!
If I jam you, you go wake up for hospital. They go! They are by banished, I'm not here. Next.
Ejike.
Check whether the idiot there around. No, tackle everything else. After we don't say I no be Fred. I no like English. No send anybody, Papa. We'll do anyhow, we'll see anyhow. Is the idiot around?
The idiot is not around. Ejike.
Iche, I don't understand what is going on. Please, you people should tell me what is going on now because I am mad, I am confused right now. The boy I saw today, is he not Fred? Eh? We all know Fred is dead. Who was that person?
See,
my mother never told me Fred has a twin brother. So, who is that boy?
My son, I am as confused as you are. But the fact remains that at this age, I should be able to differentiate between black and white. I saw Fred live and direct today. If Fred were to be dead, just like you are claiming, how come nobody's talking about his funeral? You see, even 2 months after.
What?
Something tells me that Fred is alive.
Well, you're making sense. But my friend Tony sent a video to me now. CNN confirmed the news that Fred is dead. Even Al Jazeera, all the news confirmed it. His picture was there. Everything was there. So what is going on? And he said that he is not Fred, that he is Anayo. I don't want to understand what is going on. Am I mad?
No, you are not.
Can I even think straight? Or do you think I'm running mad? What is going on?
Son, just hold on. What I'm saying is, the father of Fred, the late father, never told me that Fred was a twin. Neither did his mother also say that. I am convinced that Fred is still alive.
Mbamba, Fred is not alive. I know what I'm talking about now. Fred is not alive. Who was that idiot now that was just claiming to be Fred's twin brother?
Fred is alive.
In fact, he was just matching me with a gun. Nah, I will come out and do something.
See, this whole matter is overwhelming.
I will start doing something crazy. Someone should tell me what is going on.
As far as
Fred is dead. Fred is dead.
Fred is alive.
Fred is dead.
Fred is alive.
Fred is dead.
He's saying that Fred is alive.
I don't want anything to happen to my hair now.
Well, I know be smart, you know. We thank God for today, Sha, but I suffer well. Hey, if I play you my tape, if you shift from here. But everywhere good, Sha. That woman will train me, a better woman.
Sure.
Before she die, get thing she tell me. Say, make I no give up. Say there is tunnel for the end of the light. How they thought that thing for say the light there for the last place where the tunnel there.
That at the end of the tunnel, there is light.
The light there for the end of the tunnel. Before she can die, say make I no give up. That thing they ring for my head steady. So giving up no dey the dictionary like this. A wonderful woman.
Sure.
After she died, I begin step for that uncomputed building from the operate. What did I not see? Sometimes they can go clamp you. You go bury yourself by yourself. When they say, call your people, I say, no people. Call your papa. Call your mama.
Sure.
They retire for me now. But those ones don't pass. I thank God say now we dey here like this. I don't jam my family, so everywhere don't good.
Sure. That woman sounds like a good person.
I know a better person now.
Oh. Who is she? Is alive. But God knows everything.
I've always money scatter her to say she's alive.
Your twin brother also was a nice guy, even your father. Do you know that your twin brother, your father and I, we built the company to the stage it is today. They were hard-working people. But it's all in the past now. You are my son. I want you to know that you have a family that loves you, cherishes you.
Ale, don't be say I have family. Now we be family now. I have again. Not be we dey here. Now we dey here now.
Your
We
family loves you and will always love you. And I want you to know that nothing in this world, in the whole universe, will make me to lose you again.
Amen. Amen.
We will be together till the end of time.
Amen. Amen.
Your sufferings, sorrows, and pains, they are all bygone in the past.
Amen.
Cheers to a new day.
Yes, sir.
Greater days ahead.
Yes,
I think I'm the most happiest one here. I now have a brother. Hey! Brother, now you're welcome.
I will dey here now.
Hey. My brother.
Mama.
Hey.
Fred is back indirectly.
Yes, sir. Fred mixed with Anaya.
Equals to Anaya Fred.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.
What did make me say make gonna come this meeting for my house for town here be say I dey like meeting that happen where I dey in charge, where be my ground. In case of anybody wey zuzu to clamp am go easy for me. You know understand? Now make me move on from village come here. See my brother Fred. Now my twin brother and a part of me forever. But our character no be the same. I know they look for trouble, but if trouble come, now we dey here. You understand? You, Maz, you be evil man. Yes. One column be my papa property. Ejike na your son. Ejike na your son. You and your wife plan all those rubbish because una I dey my pop's property. You won't kill everybody, carry wetin no belong to you. I get every info concerning all of you as you stand here. Before you come, me, I don't do my own checkings and findings. I get everybody data for my hand. You understand? You see you like this, based on your fuck up. If you reach that community, we dey town, but I dey banish you. Move, carry your wife, they move. Because if you don't move, I go personally lie to you and they go throw your body into bottomless pit. That evil forest, now there your body go there. I want to go to plan evil.
Please, my son, forgive me. This is not me. I was pushed into doing it. Please reconsider what you just said.
Ude, can you listen to yourself? That's the same way you'll be pushed into living our village. Let me tell you. Igwe now knows the truth. And he is solidly behind him. Yes. He is solidly behind him.
He wants to inherit everything where my papa gets. This man naive. Thank God say my twin brother and my popsy, they are dead na natural. But normally this man won't kill everybody, Columbia the whole property. Na evil man. Wetin make me like myself be say, I go forgive you, but I go punish you. So that I go use you as an example. So that the next people wey die around, nobody go come try me. So, Oga, move to that village, carry your wife, bagger. Else, I go lie to you and I go throw your dead body into the bottomless pit, that evil forest where they are villa. Your time starts now. Move!
We can ask you to ever poor. Before now, collect water. Bawado!
Lazy idiot. All of us don't get 24 hours. They plan to carry wealth where you no suffer. You want chop where you no reap. If I stand up, you go wake up for hospital. Come on for here now! You want chop for where you no work. You want reap you know so. Everybody don't get the same 24 hours. You know go work. One use brother, step brother, Columbia people family. I go lie to you. Come on for here! Forgiveness accepted, but I go punish you. Make people not try me again. I go use you set example.
Nah, it's reason me now. Reason me now. Organic kwa?
AGK. If killing you will bring peace to this family, we don't have issues.
Huh?
Not at all. Alright, can you prove all the things you're saying now?
What do you mean if I can prove it? I can prove it now. I can prove it. That boy is nobody. He's an impostor. He's nobody.
AGK, if you are not tired, I'm very, very tired. I am very, very tired. Listen to me. My little advice to you is to go and apologize to him.
Me?
The friend I saw some days ago is ready to fight the entire village.
Nah, I cannot apologize to anybody. Never in my life. Mommy, I cannot apologize to anybody.
Now listen. I still remember if you were his shoes, you would have done the same thing.
I don't care if it's Fred or Anna, you're anybody, I don't care. I will get everything that belongs to me.
Please, I do not want you to come here with this talk again.
I don't care, I will not come, no problem. No problem. You guys are ganging up against me, Okoya. You don't want to give me what belongs to me. You want to eat everything. Eat it now, no problem. Eat it, enjoy it. Eat it, but just get ready for war.
It is me you want to show you.
Get ready for war.
Your youthful exuberance.
Friend, anybody, get ready for war.
My friend, get out of this
place.
Get out of this place.
What is it, Seth?
What kind of rubbish is this? Look at this scallywag. Look at this liquor. Vagrant.
So, Malena, the cocoa be that too. Anybody where price go collect. Me, I don't believe in trouble. But if trouble come, go rugged them. All this is where they tell me, say, leave our enemies, leave our enemies. I don't believe in all those things. If you leave baby enemy, you go turn international enemy. I don't look for trouble, but once trouble come, we pound down, we go rocket down. You understand? So I beg, if all these people wey don't fuck up, I go treat their fuck up one after the other, whether I forgive you or not, you go collect.
I understand what you are saying, but I want you to know and remember that we are one big family.
No, family no be person where you and they blood related. No. Say you with the bonus from one womb, don't mean say with blood. That's only blood related. Family now who show you love, who call you love, you go now call love back. You know what I'm saying? The person is call you family, you go now call them family now. That's the time you say be your enemy, you won't go they call them family. They whine. Like HK now, not be my family. If you like, me will be the same blood. You know me, not be my family, because see as they behave. So leave him for me, I go treat him fuck up.
What about the mother?
That one. I don't forgive him, but I still banish him. You know why? If you forgive people, still punish them so that people who die around no go try within the do next time. And so life be. I beg.
Mama.
You say you don't banish him?
Yes, he banished her. Allow him to handle this case. Allow him.
Tonero, what is it now? What's going on now? I don't understand you these days. We're gonna finish business now. Why are you backing off?
Ejike, let me say this to your face. This should be the last time you will come after me on this same issue. Please! I can't keep tormenting a family that did nothing to me.
Tonero, okay, what is going on?
I'm telling you the truth to your face.
What happened now?
If you have problem with Okwosa family, go there and resolve it yourselves. Count me out of this, please.
I should count you out of this.
It's frustrating my relationship.
Which relationship? You know, if I was in your shoe, I will help you out. Why are you acting as if I am nobody to you?
Thank God you are not in my shoe. This last opportunity my fiancé gave to me, I must utilize it, please.
Woman, they control you too?
Yes.
Woman, they control
you. It's the woman I want to marry.
The woman
Will I marry you?
Who wants to marry you?
Oh, who wants to marry me? Okay, you're asking. Natachi want to marry me? Yes. Please.
You're a very wicked person.
Now you know.
You're a very wicked person.
Now you know.
After everything I've done for you, you can't fight with me now.
What did you do?
After everything
what did you do for me? What did you do for me?
You're asking me what I did for you?
Yes.
Because you're driving car now, Kwaya. This is about now.
Nah, guy. Go and fight your battle.
Don't fight with me. Just go. Get out. Get out. Get out with your car. I will fight alone. Anumanu. Ukitara checking the idiots. Iche, why are you running like? What is going on?
Ejike,
I was
please
coming to your
stay
house.
out of my way.
What is going on?
You have to stay out of my way.
What happened now? Talk to me. Are you okay?
That evil brother of yours is after my life. I have just less than 5 minutes to leave this village. Or I will finish my life.
Iche, I don't understand what do you mean my evil brother is chasing you? Who is the person? How can somebody be chasing a titled man in this village? Somebody is chasing you around out of this village. Can't you report the person to the Igwe? Report him to the Igwe and this nonsense will stop.
See who is talking. He has the backup of Igwe. Your mother left this village without telling us, and that man was behind it. Can I tell you the truth? Henceforth, you are fighting alone.
If I cholo fighting, if I put you all day, by fire, by force, family we're supposed to be.
Who is he to chase people out from their village? Wait a minute. Is he Fred? No, I don't think so. The Fred I know is a peaceful man. This one is the opposite of him. But you see, me, Ejike, I will never give up. I will fight to the end, no matter what.
What?
You see, after our traditional marriage, I'm going to take you to the city with me.
Oh, baby. That would be so nice of you. Yes, and I know I will love it.
And there in the city, you will have my twins.
I will have your baby. I don't like twins.
Yes, set of twins.
No.
2 boys.
No. I will have your baby, but not twins.
Not twins?
No, I don't like twins. Just want something we can take care of.
Love you, baby.
I love you too.
Come on, give me a kiss.
Come on. We're on the road.
Nobody is coming. Come on.
Somebody is coming.
Excuse me. I'm with my woman. Give me a kiss, please.
Baby, I promised you after our marriage.
Hello.
Hi. So you're gonna have dozen of it.
Do you want me to take it by force?
No.
Huh? You want me to take it by force? Come on.
Achalo fight, achalo mamba. If achalo bo fighting, achalo mamba. If I would do all day, by fire, by force. Family was supposed to be like heaven. Unfortunate son, one day, you go see what a fumbasi. One day, you go see what a fumbasi. For how long will this continue to linger? Does it mean that nothing can be done? Our family has scattered. Whoa, fighting every day, market.
Hello, Gina. Gina, I've been standing here for a very long time. I cannot find any bike around here. There's no bike in this your village, oh. I'm tired. I've been standing here for over 30 minutes now, but I've not seen any bike. Eh? I'm tired and the sun is too much.
There's no bike. I've been looking for bikes. I've been standing here over 30 minutes. I've not seen any bike. This is your village now. Wow.
Somebody help! Somebody help! Help me!
Make the call!
I'll make the call.
Are you ready to make the call? Give her the call. Take it! Where you go? What is your problem? You think I'm here to joke?
Hello, Gina.
Hello? Who is this?
Gina, I was kidnapped.
My friend kidnapped? Rose!
I was kidnapped, Gina.
Rose, where are you? How? Who kidnapped you?
They said if you don't send the properties, the documents, they will kill me. Gina, please.
What? Where are you right now? Hello? Hello, please put up.
Gina, I was kidnapped by Ejike.
Are you mad? That's it to call names.
No.
See, if there's anybody locate us here, I'll make sure I kill you before I go to jail.
Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please don't kill me. Don't kill me. I don't want to die, please. I am not Gina. I'm just Gina's friend, please.
I don't want to die.
I don't want to die, please. I am not Gina. I'm begging the name of God.
Boss, how far now? Reason me the matter with you on ground now. Me run this girl matter now. The way she dey doing me, I know too like her. Like this way she dey, my blood dey high you. I mean, just tell me, no, she be the main target who they fight on like this.
Senior bro, just give us more order. More buy this girl. More just buy this girl. You know, say this place no dey safe. Police fit locate us come here. More buy this girl, relocate, go another place. More start life.
Wanna calm down? I get plans. You see that girl? That one out of many who catch. I just keep her here because I need something very, very important. We go torture her. She go call others. They go sign the paper, sign the document. They bring her come give me. You understand? I need all my father's documents to be signed, and everything should be located to me as the bona fide son. So we go touch her, we go do a small thing, make she make call, make them sign those papers, come give me. The papers must reach my hand first. You understand? We no go kill her, but we go do the needful. You understand me? That is it.
But like this, as it be like this now, how far? Touch us now, we will give her a small hand for body. That yellow skin where she carry me turn to black like this.
Torturing her no be the problem. Now to make her call those people to sign the document.
Now waiting me a 1 year so that me go know how to take do and make she turn black. You go see say confession go begin to come out. I mean my boss, if you give me your combo, might just a drag small so that the spirit go up now.
Okay, one take small. Can't take now.
Boss, no be that hand where you take give me so like this, you know go clear.
You bless the craze, eh? If you talk that nonsense again, I will slap you. Shut up. This small boy. Come. Both of you should be very careful with me. Do your work diligently. You understand? I don't want you to say she come out from here. Hold her. Go stage. Make she make call. Make they sign those papers and bring them here. Understand? I don't want your stories that touches the heart.
No, I see you, bro. Be hello. Oh, for you. The boss man.
See, man, they man no allow escape. If she escape, that money you they expect. If I no say, all of una, I go just pipe una. I no get use. Man no go anywhere.
You will be boss. You want follow and come out. If that girl run now, me and you they go hold for here. Stand for here. No go watch her.
When they fall, I get the banana. They go like you to fall with them. When they are hopeless and fall, I get the banana. They go like you to fall with them. You can only try, but never succeed. Throw me to the wolves, my cake and remove. I must return, leading the pack. Then you will know your comfort zone is your enemy. Their heart is wicked.
Come on. Oh boy, y'all don't gas.
Wait till stop.
My brother, see, y'all don't gas for area.
Wait till stop. Ekelebe won't put body.
If not Ekelebe down better. Ekelebe down better. See, this baby will kidnap so. Now AY babe. Now AY babe. See, one know who be AY. Okay, I remember. I don't follow mistake for city. I don't follow mistake for city when I go know who be AY. For AY to call me, talk say babe dey my hand. No say, you know say this baby here. If he come here, he go wipe us. Eh? He go wipe us, wipe our generation. If you come here, see, you go buy everybody with day here. They will be alive. I dey tell you now.
You know wetin dey worry am. Remember, na so we take go kidnap you. We come talk say see wetin happen, see wetin happen.
But leave this matter where you dey talk, you too dey joke.
Which kind matter I dey talk? You dey tell me make I keep quiet.
See.
One of the talk to you like now to lose this girl. Calm down.
See, this guy say we no understand what I dey talk.
Now why they do this thing now? Wait first, why they lose the game now?
Stand up. See, just stand up. They go. No worry. Just stand up. They go.
Guy, why you do this thing now? Why they lose this game? You know say na money you collect for this thing.
Shut up now.
Why you don't there they talk? You dey tell me shut up. Why you do like that now?
See, everything no be money.
Abobi, calm down. Why you go lose that matter now? You know say our money be that.
Bobo won't die. As for me, my hand no.
Guy, Abobi, calm down. Why you talk like that now? Why? Why you don't like we be? I don't wanna come up for here.
Ma tell you, if you come here.
I bet shoot come up for here.
Make it a show. Anayo. Osenkeche. Anayo. He no want trouble, but he know they run away for any trouble. A man of war is well prepared. Anayo. Anayo. If you the couple nonsense, back up your game, back out on the unfair. He's not a gentleman. Oh, Anayo. Anayo. Mwabolo. Anayo. You know you, Anayo. This kind of man, I never see him before. He welcomes trouble and only shoot to those who wish to look for trouble. His actions define who he is. He have seen the worst of this world. Mama forgot why. He's a non-nonsense man, very mean and wise, always prepared for fight and war. I'm one working, I'm working. A children man, your child, you see,
we can settle this amicably. I'm your brother.
You say that your madness, my baby madness. I don't fight, I kill. Make yourself comfortable. Manage the self-call, no provoke me. I said...
We can settle this amicably.
You see like this now, yeah? We'll go where we keep rules. I don't say that you kidnap her. We'll collect them first. From there, we'll go police station. We'll go rest more. From police station, we'll go court. After court, or wash you go prison. Idiot.
Anayo, we are brothers.
I know they believe all those stories and forgiveness. You know they walk around here. Idiot. I tell you say that your madness, my baby madness. I get the original one.
The worst of this world. My children may your child. Yeah, Mama forgot why. He's a non-nonsense man, very mean and wise, always prepared for fight and war. I'm one working, I'm working. A children may your child. You see, Kalaka Puroki, Doding and Manaru. Anayo. You know they fear person, now people they fear him. Always prepared, up the wall of my web. And Sigaka, up the Maniruzana, so Okosiki for either play, either show. Anayo, Osenkache, Anayo. You know one trouble, but you know they run away for any trouble. A man of war is well prepared. Anayo, Anayo. If you the couple nonsense, I got your good on the unfair. He's not a gentleman, Anayo, Anayo. Anayo, but you know you Anayo. This kind of man, I never see him before. He welcomes trouble and only shoot to those who wish to look for trouble. His actions define who he is. He have seen the worst of this world. Yeah, Mama forgot why. He's a non-nonsense man, very mean and wise, always prepared for fight and war. I'm one working, I'm working. A children may your child. You see, Kalaka Puroki, Doding and Manaru. Anayo. You know they fear person, now people they fear him. Always prepared, up the wall of my web. Anayo, Isini well isim baka Okwadiro Maniruzana yoso Okosiki fobu Ide play, ide show Anayo Osenkache Anayo. You know one trouble, but you know they run away for any trouble. A man of war is well prepared. Anayo Anayo. If you the couple nonsense, I got your good on the unfair. He's not a gentleman, oh, Anayo.